This is probably one of my favorite features in Recraft AI. Now, I have this picture of a handbag and there is no background. This is a PNG/transparent picture, which is quite common for a product display. But that's probably not going to attract many attention to it because the picture looks kind of boring. So you might want to add some background to it to make it more attractive. And in Recraft AI, you can blend two images together. And this is better than, putting the picture on top of a different background, because you have to consider the lighting, you have to consider the shadow as well, and the relation of the object with other elements in the background. So you can use Recraft AI to blend two pictures together into one, and this is the same picture, the same handbag, except the background is different, and I gotta say it's much more presentable than a simple PNG picture. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can utilize the image blending feature in Recraft AI. And of course, this is completely free and it's very easy to achieve. So first, you have to open Recraft.ai and then you can create a new project. And by the way, I have the link in the video description if you are interested to sign up to Recraft for the first time. Now, I'm going to upload a picture of Tesla that I just got from Google. Now I'm going to just drag and drop the file right here. Okay, as you can see, it is definitely a transparent image. There is no background or anything here. Now I want to add some background to this picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click anywhere on the empty area and then click frame, and I'm going to put this Tesla right here. And by the way, if you want to change the aspect ratio of the frame, you can click on the frame and then you can adjust it right here. So you can make it vertical, square, or horizontal. So I'm going to make the Tesla bigger. I should have picked a larger picture. Right now the picture's dimension is very small, but that's okay. Now I'm going to add some background to this Tesla. So let me select all of them. And then I'm going to put this prompt right here. Okay, the background is going to be empty parking lot during daylight. Quite simple, and I would say that's a popular background for taking photo of a car. Now, when you're done with the prompting and when you're done with all the settings, you can click Recraft Frame and just wait for Recraft AI to generate an appropriate background based on your prompt, but also based on the picture that you have on top of the frame. And by the way, Recraft actually is not going to use this. It will create a copy. Actually, yeah, it will create a copy, so the frame will stay here. So in case you want to change the dimension or you want to change the position of the car, you can absolutely do it. And there you go. So this is the result, the same car, same everything, but it looks more presentable, and I would say it's way better than a simple PNG picture. And after that, you can, right click and then you can export as PNG or JPEG to your computer. So that's basically how you can create a nice background for a product photo using Recraft AI. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.